Welcome to RoboBrief, your daily robotics and AI briefing. Today, Hexagon's AEON Humanoid heads into real factory work with Phil Maschinenbau. Xpanner raises $18 million to turn construction equipment into autonomous robots, and All3 lands $25 million for its Mantis construction robotic system. First up, Europe gets another serious factory humanoid. Hexagon Robotics, an Austrian machine builder, Phil Maschinenbau, announced a partnership to deploy Hexagon's AEON Humanoid inside Phil's advanced manufacturing workflows in Gurten, Austria. This is not a living room helper or a stage demo. AEON is being positioned for precision assembly, machine tending, inspection, and repetitive shop floor tasks inside an existing industrial site. The important signal is the customer. Phil builds complex automation systems for aerospace, automotive, sports equipment, and metalworking. If AEON can work there, it means humanoids are starting to plug into factories that already understand robots. Story 2, construction automation is getting a subscription model. Xpanner raised $18 million in Series B bridge funding, led by career investment partners, taking total funding to about $38 million. The company does not build shiny new humanoids. It retrofits existing excavators and heavy machinery with AI-driven autonomy, then sells the result as automation as a service. The target markets are painfully practical: solar farm construction, EPC contractors, and the data center build-out feeding the AI boom. Construction has a labor shortage, a schedule problem, and a machine utilization problem. Xpanner is betting autonomy works faster when it upgrades the equipment contractors already own. Finally, All3 raised $25 million in seed funding to attack construction from the other end. Its Mantis system combines robotic hardware, AI-designed software, and prefabrication workflows to claim a 3 times productivity improvement over traditional building. The pitch is bigger than one robot arm. All3 wants a design-to-build loop where software plans the job, components are prepared off-site, and robots take over the repetitive, high-precision physical work. If Xpanner is retrofitting today's job sites, All3 is trying to redesign the job site itself. That's your RoboBrief for Monday, May 18th. Hit subscribe and read the full stories at robobrief.tech. See you tomorrow.